Fully assembled mini 3D printer for kids and beginners. Complete starter kit with auto-leveling 3D printing machine, 10 MPLA filament, an SD card Wi-Fi 3D home printer for Mac, Windows, and Linux. Everything is included. Just bring the imagination. This 3D printer starter kit comes with a mini printer, 10M of PLA filament, a micro SD card pre-installed with model designs and splicing software, and more 3D printer accessories. Unlike other 3D printers that may malfunction if not meticulously assembled correctly, Fully Assembled Mini 3D Printer is designed for reliable, long-term use right out of the box. With its compact, space-saving size of 8.3 x 8.3 inches x 11.4 and a lightweight build, it's perfect for home, classrooms, and dorms, delivering consistent, jaw-dropping prints every time. Made with kids and beginners in mind, Fully Assembled Mini 3D Printer turns complexity into creativity fueling simplicity. It features auto-leveling and a dual Z-axis rail for high-precision prints, a 2.4 inches LCD screen, and a flexible magnetic build plate for easy removal. Load and retract filament at the touch of a button. The 3D printers for beginners and kids are compatible with 1.75mm PLA, PLA Pro, and TPU filament. You'll also love the active pause and resume print functions that put more control in your hands. Use Mac, Windows, or Linux and bring your imagination to life. The Wi-Fi capable printer is also compatible with a majority of slicing software, including WeBuilder, Cura, Simplify 3D, and Sliker 3D. Go ahead, dive into the world of 3D printing the easy way.